Today I will talk about three things: what compassion means to me, how we show it to other people and to our environment, and how working together to make good choice helps make our school and the whole world kinder place. What compassion? For me, compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone. It is just a feeling in your heart. It means understanding what others are going through and wanting to do something to help them. It is like putting yourself in their place. When you see someone having a hard time, you do not ignore them or judge them. Instead, you ask yourself, what is were in their situation? How would I want to be treated? Compassion means seeing every person as equal and important. It does not matter if they are rich or poor, healthy or sick, or different from us. It is treating them with respect and kindness, even when it is not easy and is not just about people. It is also about caring for everything around us. How we show compassion. We can show compassion in two simple ways: caring for other people and caring for nature. First, caring for others. Compassion is small things. It is sharing what you have even in it is just a little food time. Or help it is listening when someone is sad or encouraging them when they feel weak. It is helping the elderly, the sick, or those who have less in life. It also means not looking down on people or thinking bad about them. Instead, we accept them and give them the same respect we want for ourselves. Even simple act like helping a classmate or being fair to everyone are ways of showing compassion. Second, caring for the environment. Many do not know this, but taking care of nature is also an act of compassion. Why? Because it's everything is this world is connected. When we protect our rivers, forests, air, and land, we are actually protecting people too. A clean environment means healthy food, safe water, and fresh air for everyone, especially for the poor who depend most on nature. So when we do not throw trash anywhere, when we save water and electricity, and When we do not destroy trees or pollute the sea, we are showing we care of the life or others and for the future of the next generation. Working together to make good choice. Now, how do we make our school, our community, and the whole world a more compassionate place? This is where communal discernment comes in. To make it simple, it means thinking and deciding together as a group. It is not just one person making the rules. It is when we listen to each other, share our ideas, and ask what is really good for everyone. What is fair? What will help now and in the future? In our school, when we make decisions or plans, we do not just think about ourselves. We ask, does this help others? Does it make things easier for those who are struggling? When we talk and solve problems together, we find solutions that are kinder and better for everyone. In the bigger world, this helps us avoid making choices that one only help a few people. It guides us to build a community where no one is left behind. Compassion is not just something we feel alone. It is something we build together. Compassion is not just a simple feeling, but an achieved choice to respond to poverty with care and action. While poverty is a complex issue, rooted in lack of opportunities and resources, showing empathy helps break down barriers and restores dignity to those in need. It bridges the gap between the privileged and the marginalized, turning awareness into meaningful help, whether through sharing resources, speaking up for fair policies, or supporting access to education and livelihood. Ultimate, when we practice compassion, we do not just listen, suffering, we build stronger communities and move closer to society, where everyone has a real chance to improve their own future. When we act compassion and work together, we make our school, our community, and the whole world a better place for everyone. Thank you for listening.